Can you actually mould the Elan Starburst lights into any shape you want? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Elan Starburst lights. Let's get into it. These set of 10 fairy lights require no mains and are fully solar powered. They work in winter and they are 3.8 meters long. Let's unbox. So inside the box we've got the lights already attached to the solar panel, the instructions and the stake. So the first thing we're going to do is attach the two parts of the stake together. Then we're going to attach this to the solar panel. On the back of the solar panel there are two buttons. Button 1, which is located on the right side, is the on-off switch. This activates the dusk till dawn feature. And button 2, which is located on the left side, is the mode button, which toggles flashing and static effects. Simply push the button once to switch between the two modes. There are 10 Starburst LED lights on this string. You will need to spread out the wires of this light to create the desired Starburst effect. These lights feature a clear wire which blends nicely against paler walls, fences, and can also be hidden within the shrubbery. These lights are perfect for parties or events and look great hung under pergolas or strung along walls or fences. The LED bulbs are energy efficient and long lasting. These lights feature a dusk sensor which turns on automatically after sunset. You'll get roughly 10 hours of runtime on a full charge. Make sure you hang the solar panel in a sunny spot, otherwise it will affect the quality of your light. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, it makes all the difference. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.